Okay, welcome to Genknown tutorial. Number 7 tayo ngayon ng ating related rates. Okay. Nabanggit dito sa ating 7, may ship tayo na sailing through north at 22 km per hour. At may second ship na sailing east at 16 km per hour, crossing the path of the unang ship 85 km ahead of it. Okay. Ang tanong, how fast is the distance between them changing 1 hour later? Okay, when they are closest together. Okay, dalawang tanong. Una, how fast? Ibig sabihin, velocity ang tinutukoy dito. At ang pangalawa, when? Ibig sabihin, time ang nahanap. Okay. I will explain to you first the diagram na nabuo. Let's say na ang unang ship natin ay ang ship A at ang pangalawang ship ay ang ship B. Itong ship A daw ay naglalayag papuntang north. Okay. At itong B naman ay naglalayag papuntang east. Ang distance between the two ship ay 85 km. At ang unknown length naman para sa ating ship B ay Y, na kung saan itong Y na to ay mag-start lamang ang simula ng kanyang distance kapag nakadaan na siya sa path nitong ship A na pa-north. Okay. Ang Y natin ay equal to 16t. Ang T natin ay time. At meron tayong X dito na kung saan ito yung distance na na-travel na ng ating ship A. Okay, ang X natin ay 22t. Okay. So, 85 minus X, or itong part na to, ay ang distance na dadaanan pa lamang ng ating ship A. Kung mapapansin natin, may nabuong Pythagorean theorem dito, no? Isang right triangle, na kung saan ang distance, or ang hypotenuse itong right triangle na to, ay denoted as letter D, or a distance. So, let's try to solve. Okay, using Pythagorean theorem. But first, ay hanapin muna natin ang value ng ating distance. We have y or d squared is equal to y squared, okay, plus ang 85 minus x squared. Okay. When time is equal to 1, ang y natin ay equal to 16 times 1 equal to 16. Ang x natin ay equal to 22 times 1 hour. 1 hour to yan. Equal to 22. So, substitute natin ang value ng ating x and y dito sa ating Pythagorean theorem. We have d squared is equal to 16 squared plus 85 minus 22 squared. So, totally ang value ng ating distance or ang hypotenuse na nabuo ay 65 km. So, let's save this value. We have 65 km. Okay. The next step is using the same equation again, Pythagorean theorem, is equal to y squared plus 85 minus x raised to 2. Using the same equation, derive the said equation. We have 2d over dt is equal to 2y dy over dt plus 85 minus x, okay, multiply by negative dx over dt. Okay, 2d. Yan. So, ang hanap natin dito ay ang velocity. So, we have the dd over dt is equal to 2. Factor out lang, makakancel yung isang 2. Cancel din dito. So, ang natira ay y dy over dt plus, okay, i-multiply natin dito sa ating positive sign ang ating negative. So, magiging negative 85 minus x dx over dt all over by d. Ito na ang value ng ating velocity. But first, let's try to solve for the dy and dt and dx dt. Remember the value of our x and y. So, ang x natin ay 22t. I-derive lang natin with respect to time. So, dx dt are equal to 22. So, ang y natin, we have 16 time. I-derive lang ulit natin, we have dy over dt are equal to 16. So, kompleto ng ating value. May value na tayo ng x, may value na tayo ng y. Okay? At may value na rin tayo ng ating distance. So, d over dt. Itong dd over dt ay ang velocity na hinahanap natin, na kung saan ito yung distance between them changing in 1 r. Diba, sinolve natin kanina ang value ng x and y natin in 1 r is also equal to 22 para sa ating x at 16. So, totally, we have 16 here, multiplied by dy over dt ay 16 din, minus 85 minus x, we have 22, multiplied by 22 para sa ating dx over dt, all over by 65 km para sa ating distance. 65. So, ang velocity changing between them after 1 hour ay negative 226 over 13 km per hour. Nasagot na ang unang tanong. Okay, let's move on for the second question. Okay, using the same derived equation, this one, ay mahanap na natin ang value ng ating time when the two ships are closed or the closest together. So, I will erase this part. Okay. Isab lang natin itong x and y value natin where the time is unknown. This one and this one. So, d over dt is equal to, ang y natin, we have 16t dy dx or dy dt ay 16 plus 85 minus ang x natin ay 22t multiply by, okay, negative, multiply by 22. Let dd over dt equals 0. So 0 or 16 t times 16 is equal to 85 minus 22t times 22. Solve for the value of t. So t is equal to, i-shift solve na lang, 187 over 74 r. Ito na ang value ng ating time when the two shape or the shape A and B are closest together. Well, kung ito'y nakatulong sa inyo, huwag niyo kakalimutang mag-like, share, subscribe at i-click nyo na rin yung notification bell para kayo ma-notify sa ating mga bagong YouTube tutorials.